let me show you how you can have loads of basil for the rest of your life from just one basil plant. So you see these little stems? This is what happens once the basil goes to flower. Oh, look at the butterfly. So you get this nice brown stem, and let me show you the magic. So you collect these off your plant, and then you just strip them down just like that, and get rid of that stick. And inside of every single one of these little flower petals is a basil seed. Let me see if I can get to it. Sometimes you have to do a little grating. It's great to do it on like a colander or something. But you see these little black dots? Those are basil seeds. And there are tons of them. So you see all these little brown sticks? Just loads and loads of basil seeds. So don't throw out your basil when it goes to seed. At least let a few of these go, turn brown, completely dry, and you now have like thousands of basil seed for next season. I don't know if you've ever heard of basil water. It's kind of like chia seed water. So if you are like, oh, I want to do basil seed water, but I don't have enough basil seeds, here you go. You've got plenty now. All you have to do is grow 2 or 3 plants of basil, and you're going to have enough basil seed for basil seed water for a very long time.